Hi everyone, welcome to the important question series of class 10 board exam. Today we are going to do some very important questions of refractive index. Now let's see those questions one by one. So first question is, the refractive index of glass is 1.5. What is the meaning of this statement? So if this question come in your exam, so what you have to write down is that if refractive index of glass is 1.5, it means, this statement means that when light travels from air to the glass, then the speed of light gets slower by 1.5. For this you have to write down if it is 1 mark question, and if it is a 3 mark question, then you have to explain that how it becomes 1.5 times slower. So let's see this on the board. So what is given to us is that refractive index of glass is 1.5. Okay. So what you will do is, we know that refractive index is equal to C upon V. This is refractive index. Here we are taking refractive index of glass. This is velocity of light in air. I will write down this velocity of light in air, and this is velocity of light in glass, Vg. Now they are asking us that what will happen to Vg if it moves from air to glass. So this is C and this n will come here. If we interchange their position, then this will refractive index will come here. Now it is given to us that refractive index of glass is 1.5. So C upon 1.5. So what does it imply? If it is Vg is equal to C upon 1.5, in denominator 1.5 is coming. What does this mean? That velocity of light will reduce by 1.5. Okay, so you will explain by writing this, that because 1.5 here is in denominator, therefore it is clear that velocity of light will reduce by 1.5. You can even find it out. You can put the values here. We know that velocity of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power 8 upon 1.5. You can find out this value 10, and this will be 30 upon 15 into 10 to the power 8, and this will give you 2 into 10 to the power 8. So if it is a 1 mark question, then simply write down the meaning of the statement is that when light travels from air to glass, then the velocity of light in glass will become slower by a value 1.5. Okay, now is it clear? Now see the next question. The next question says that the refractive index of water with respect, I will write down side by side what is given to us. So given to us is that refractive index of water with respect to air. Water with respect to air is 1.33, and refractive index of diamond is because they are saying refractive index of diamond, it means this is absolute refractive index, and absolute refractive index is in comparison to air. So you will write down NDA is equal to, the value is 2.42. Now the question is asking, in which medium does the light move faster, water or diamond? Now you can see they are asking in which medium the light moves faster. Faster they are asking. So in which medium it will move faster? You can see in water it is 1.33, and in diamond it is 2.42. Just now in question number 1, we have seen that refractive index is inversely proportional to the velocity in the medium, in whichever medium they are talking about. Like if they are talking about in water, then water, and if they are talking about in diamond, then diamond, and you will here also write down diamond. So you can see this. So this is inversely proportional. It means that velocity of light is faster where in this case, in case of water. Here the refractive index of water is less than the refractive index of diamond. Therefore the velocity of light will be faster in water because it is inversely proportional to the refractive index. Is it clear? Now the next part is, what is the refractive index of diamond with respect to water. In next part, we have to find out refractive index of diamond with respect to water. So whenever we have to find out in such a situation where we have to find out diamond first medium and second medium. If this is first medium and this is second medium, so the formula you will use here is that refractive index of diamond with respect to water is refractive index of diamond with respect to air divided by refractive index of water with respect to air. First medium you have to take in the numerator and second medium you have to take in the denominator. So let's divide these values. It is given to us diamond is 2.42 and water is 1.33. So you will divide these values and approximately the answer will be 1.82. So this is your answer of refractive index of diamond with respect to water. Now the next important question is, light of wavelength 500 nanometer in air. Here wavelength is given to us in this question. You know the symbol of wavelength. What is the symbol of wavelength? Lambda. So wavelength is given to us as 500 nanometer. And this is in air. I am writing here, this is in air. Enters a glass plate of refractive index 1.5. So refractive index of glass is given to us as 1.5. Find the speed of light in glass. So first part is speed of light in glass. So you know we have done this in question number 1. Ng is equal to C upon Vg. C is 3 into 10 to the power 8 and Vg. We have to find out Vg here. So Vg will be equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8. This is first part I am doing upon Ng. And this is 3 into 10 to the power 8 upon 1.5. So here this answer will be 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So this is question number 1. Now the second part is you have to find out the frequency of light in glass and air both. Frequency you have to find out and wavelength is given to us. Now whenever light travels from one medium to the other, frequency doesn't changes. So you have to keep in this mind that in air as well as in glass, the frequency will be same. Okay, so we will find out frequency of light in air because wavelength is given to us in air. So we will find out frequency in air and the same value will be in glass also. So which formula we are going to use is, next formula which we are going to use here is that velocity is equal to frequency into wavelength. So for finding out frequency, because we have to find out frequency, the formula will be frequency, the symbol of frequency is nu. So nu will be velocity in air upon wavelength in air. Okay, now put the values. Velocity in air is C, 3 into 10 to the power 8 and wavelength in air is 500 nanometer. नैनोमीटर को कन्वर्ट कर लीजिए. दिस विल बी 500 into 10 to the power minus 9 meters. Okay, and this will become 10 to the power 9 ko I can use these two values here. So this will be 5 into 10 to the power minus 7 meters. So I am putting here 5 into 10 to the power minus 7. Now when you will solve this, I think this will be, I can take this as 30 upon 5 and this will be 10 to the power 7 and this will also go above 10 to the power 7. Cut it and your value will be 6 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. So this is frequency. So if any question comes where you have to find out frequency, then you have to keep in your mind this formula that velocity is equal to frequency into wavelength. Okay, now next question is, let me erase this. So next question is, here refractive index of diamond with respect to glass. Again I am writing the values which are given to us. Refractive index of diamond. They are saying diamond with respect to glass is 1.6. This is question number 4. And absolute refractive index of glass. I told you earlier, if absolute refractive index is given, it means that it is given in comparison to air. So this is absolute refractive index of glass with respect to air. The value is 1.5. Find the absolute refractive index of diamond. Here we have to find out the absolute refractive index of diamond. So what does it mean? Absolute refractive index of diamond means that N, we have to find out NDA with respect to air. Okay, these two values are given to us. Now if I write this formula NDG, I told you in previous question, then this is first medium and this is second medium, then always in numerator first medium comes, that this will become NDA upon NGA. And if I write down this, then this will be NGA is equal to NG upon this is NA. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out NDA. So how we will find out? I am multiplying these two. NDG multiplied by NGA. So this will give me ND upon NG into NG upon NA. This will cut down and I will get ND upon NA, which is refractive index of diamond with respect to air, which I have to find out. So it means what I have to do in this question is I have to multiply both the values which are given to me. So for finding out NDA, I have to multiply NDG into NGA. So your value will be 1.6 into 1.5. Multiply this and you will get your answer of refractive index. And you know refractive index is unitless. So whenever you are finding refractive index, don't write any unit in those questions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share this with your friends. And if you want to see the next video, then subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.